Yeah, yeah. This is Ade King Auto Repair. Today I've got a 2018 Range Rover HSC, and I've got I'm replacing the power outlet. Here's the port number, and this is what it looks like. It's power outlet for the rear passenger seat. Is the 110 volt power outlet. So far I've got everything out. This is the old one right here, so I'm gonna walk you through how to take this off. So the first thing I do is take this trim, which is on the side of the center console cover hinges. So you take this cover off on both sides. There's one here and there's one there. So when you take that off, and after doing that, this air vent, the rear HVAC unit, we've got some torque screws here, like sitting right here. You take that out, and when you take that out, then you just pull this piece off. So after pulling that off, then we've got some 8mm head screws. This one's that sits right in there, one there and the other one in there. You take that off, and then you'll be able to pull this lower cover out. Then after that, we've got a 10mm head bolt that secures this piece right over here, like that. So you take those screws out on both sides, you take it out. Then there's the connector, the wiring connector is like right down here, and this is the connector. So you push on this tab right here and you pull it out. So basically that's how to replace this socket. And I think this applies to the Range Rover Sport. I think Range Rover Sport HSC autobiography. So I think it applies to them all. So now I'm fixing to put this new one in and reverse the installation, and that's about it. And it will be good to go. Thanks for watching again. This is Ade King Auto Repair and Towing here in Edmond, Oklahoma. You can reach us on 405-225-6317, and we'll love to hear your calls and be happy for your patronage. Thank you again. Thanks for watching. See you some other time. Bye bye.